I have something here for $3 and it came from Hungary, Budapest. That's interesting. It came in 3 days. And yeah, this is a thing now. Foreign shops are selling products here in Romania, even from Poland. You can buy cheap graphics cards. So yeah, let's see what they shipped me for $3. Come on. How do you... Oh, this is weird. This is so weird. Yeah, let's open it up. Somehow... Oh, I should have cut the tape. And then it all comes out. But yeah, more force than brains. So, iLike BSP-2080 portable Bluetooth speaker for $3. That's interesting, and they didn't specify which one it is. Well, it's apparent. So yeah, it's from this made in PRC. Yeah, let's see. Come on, out, come on. Is it glued, or what am I doing here wrong? Oh, I'm pulling both. Oh, sorry. Okay. So here it is. Oh, and this is a shower. This is for the shower. I get it. Because the bottom is rubber. This thing is rubber and it can stay there. It's a suction cup. Excuse me. And there's a sticker here. And it says 4 ohm 3 watt speaker, DC 5 volt 500 milliamp input. Yeah, just like a standard Bluetooth speaker. Let's see if we can... Oh, here are the buttons. How do you... Oh, you charge it here and switch it on here. Let's see. Yeah, it has no power. Okay, let's try to give it some power. Hopefully here's a cable. Yep, just a cable and a manual, which you don't need. But yeah, let's try to power it up and switch it on. And then end the video, because this is not very interesting. Oh, I can take it apart. Yeah, it can be taken apart. We'll do that too. First, let's see if it works. Because if it doesn't work, I just return it like this. So micro USB in, and it lights up red here because it's charging. Oh, here's even a microphone. And let's turn it on. Yeah, it's kind of what I expected. So it seems that it works. Let's try to connect to it from a phone. Oh, this is going down. Battery low. But yeah, let's see. Bluetooth on. Oh yeah, the power saver turned it off. I get it. So which one is this? Some iLike whatever. It's searching. Here's the iLike, okay. Pairing. And it paired. And let's search for some no copyright music. Let's see how it sounds. Come on. NCS magic. Yeah, ads. Best music mix, no copyright. Yeah, let's try this one. Ah, it's an ad again. Yeah, it's already bad. But at medium, like that, the sound is kind of clear. Let's try plus here. Oh, it's controlling the. This is bad. Come on. Long press. Yeah, this is all it can do. I say it's okay. For $3, iLike. iLike. Here's the iLike. Okay then. I'll do the teardown in another video.